Hello my YouTube friends. Today we're going to show you a device that can really make it so much easier for you to do your own HVAC maintenance as far as your drain line goes. And it's this device that you see here. It's called the AC EZT. And basically what it is an access port where you just unscrew it and you can easily drop your distilled vinegar in there to flush your line out, clean it out. And you also, if you notice inside, it is sealed very well. So this device here will help you access your cleanout, your service port cleanout. And you can, what I'll do is I'll post a link down below where you can get it and you'll be able to order it online. But it does allow you to go in there and just get a funnel and drop some distilled vinegar in there. Or if you'd like to use bleach, the only caution I would have with bleach is you don't want it going towards your coils, and you don't want to have a lot of it going that way because it also does have strong fumes and odor. So I prefer distilled vinegar, and a lot of HVAC guys will tell you that. You also want to have a nice incline, just like you see here, and that way you can just drain your line. Now on the outside of that wall is basically where it drips out, so it's an easy access to it, and all you need to do is pour some distilled vinegar in here and you're good to go. Again, I will post the link down below where you can get it, and all you need to do is basically seal it to your PVC or PVC and you're good to go. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Thank you for watching.